Hello everyone. Today my lecture topic is yoga. It is a crucial topic and it was in news. For the better understanding of the topic, I have divided my topic into smaller parts. First is introduction, second is steps of yoga, how to do it, third is the importance of yoga, fourth is current scenario, and last is the conclusion. Now coming to the introduction. Yoga is helpful to improve the health of a person. It is originated from India. Nowadays, yoga is become very important for a person because human life is become very busy, so that they work 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and they feel mental pressure. If they do yoga, then their mental capacity will improve and their physical fitness will also improve. Now coming to the steps of yoga. Maharishi Patanjali, known as father of yoga, has suggested 8 steps of yoga. These are yam, niyam, asan, pranayam, pratyahar, dharana, dhyan and samadhi. If one follow these 8 steps, then his mental capacity will improve and also his physical fitness will also improve. Now coming to the importance of yoga. Yoga is very important to improve one's mental and physical health. Yoga improves the mental capacity of a person. Yoga helps to come out from laziness and yoga helps to follow their daily routine. Now coming to the current scenario. Currently, every year to 21 June, that is the longest day in Northern Hemisphere, is celebrated as a yoga day because on 2014 our Prime Minister Narendra Modi in United Nations meeting suggested about yoga day and all the nation im, im, nations approved over it, and then it is decided that every year on to 21 June yoga day will be celebrated. Now coming to the conclusion. In the conclusion, I would like to say that a person should do yoga every morning because it is helpful to follow their daily routine. If a person wake up early in the morning and do yoga exercise, it will improve their health and fitness also. If they do yoga, then their day will go very happy and they feel very happy all the day.